make a request. Please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel if you are not already subscribed. Thank you. We will now discuss the solution of a problem bearing question number 76 from the section Algebra, and this question has appeared in the TS Set 2023 October examination. The question is related to the concept of irreducible elements. This question is suitable for JL, DL, AP Set, IIT JAM and GATE examinations. This is the question number 76 with this question ID. Right. The given question is, which of the following numbers is not irreducible element over Z bracket I, Zi? We are given 4 options. Option 1, 3. Option 2, 3 plus 2i. Option 3, 1 minus I. Option 4, 5 minus I. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have Zi, the ring of Gaussian integers, and it is a ED, that is a Euclidean domain, and the elements of Zi are a plus ib, where a and b are integers. And we know that the units of Zi are plus r minus 1 and plus r minus I. Who are units? They are invertible elements under multiplication. Right. Now, let's recall the definition of an irreducible element. A non-zero element A of an integral domain D is called an irreducible element if A is not a unit, and if A is the product of two elements B and C, that is, if whenever A is equal to BC, then either B or C is a unit. Right. That means the units are the only the units. Who are the divisors? Who are the factors? The factors are either A or a unit. Right? Unit. That means whenever A is the product BC, then B or C is a unit. Right. So we have the norm function n, denoted by the norm function n, from Zi to the set of natural numbers, that is positive integers, defined by the norm of a plus ib is equal to a square plus b square. Right. Now, note that first of all we consider element 3 and note down the numbers that are given in options 1, 2, 3, 4 are not units. Right. Note that we consider 3 first. Note that 3 is not a unit. Right. So 3 is written as a product xy, where x and y are elements of Zi. Let us take x is a plus ib, y is equal to c plus id. And if we prove either x or y is a unit, then 3 qualifies to be an irreducible element. Now take the norm on both sides. N of 3 is equal to n of xy. Let us recall a property of the norm. n of xy is n of x into n of y. So here are the properties in this. The property 2 is n of xy is equal to n of x into n of y for all x and y. Right. So n of 3 is 3 square only, 3 square, and the imaginary part is not there, therefore 9. N of 3 is 9 is equal to, this property use n of x into n of y. So x is a plus ib, n of x is a square plus b square, and y is c plus id, n of y is c square plus d square. Note that n of x, so what are the possibilities? How 9 can be split as a product of factors? It is n of x is 3, n of y is 3, or n of x is 1 and n of y will be 9, or n of y is 1 or n of x is 9. So those are the possibilities. First we consider the possibility n of x is equal to n of y is equal to 3. Is it? And we say it is not true. Why? Because do we have two integers a and b such that a square plus b square is equal to 3? We don't have. And similarly, do we have integers c and d such that c square plus d square is equal to 3? We don't have. So therefore, this is, so n of x is equal to n of y is equal to 3 is not true, because there does not exist integers a, b, c, d such that n of x is equal to a square plus b square is equal to 3 and n of y is equal to c square plus d square is equal to 3. That is not possible. So what are the possibilities? So this implies either n of x is 1 or n of y is 1. Now let us recall another property, property number 4, property number 3. X is a unit if and only if n of x is equal to 1. So either n of x is 1 means x is a unit or y is a unit. So when 3 is a product of x and y, either x or y is a unit. Therefore, by this definition, it is irreducible. So 3 is irreducible. But in the question, we have to spot out that number which is not irreducible. So that's not our answer. Now let's discuss the other options. Right. So that's the definition of irreducibility, and these are the properties of the norm. Right. Let us go to 3 plus 2i. It is also not a unit, and take norm of 3 plus 2i is norm of 3 plus 2i is 3 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 13, which is a prime. Now recall the another definition, the property number 4, recall another property, the property number 4, that is if n of x is prime, then x is irreducible. It is straight. It is straight. This will imply 3 plus 2i is irreducible. And so also the third one, n of 1 minus i is not a unit, and n of 1 minus i is 1 square plus minus 1 square. That is 2, which is a prime. So again, property number 4 will tell you that 1 minus I is irreducible. So we have shown the options 1, 2, 3 are irreducible elements. So obviously the option 4 will be our answer if the question is correct. Let us see. Fourth option. Observe that 5 minus I, and 5 minus I is, first of all, it is not a unit, right? And 5 minus I can be written as the product. The product is 1 plus I into 2 minus 3i, right? So you can guess this by taking their norm and make a trial and error and write the factorization, right? In this, it is A is equal to BC, then B or C must be a unit. So 1 plus I, is it a unit? No. 2 minus 3i, is it a unit? No. Neither 1 plus I nor 2 minus 3i is a unit, but it is a product. We have written 5 minus I as a product of two elements. Right. That means it is not irreducible. It is reducible because it can be split as a product of two non-trivial factors. Right. So now 5 minus I is not irreducible, since neither 1 plus I nor 2 minus 3i is a unit. So we have to spot that element which is not irreducible, that is 5 minus I. So therefore the answer to this question is option 4. So that is the detailed discussion of the solution of a problem which is based on the concept of irreducibility of elements, and this is basically from ring theory and broadly from algebra, that has appeared in the TS Set 2023 October examination. Right. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. Here I make a request. I'm sure that you like my videos. Please like my video in the channel. It's not simply liking, but you express that in the channel, and share my videos with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. I wish you all the best. Thank you.